Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. All right, so I am so excited about today because I want to show you how to make your very own Velveeta cheese. That's right, you heard me, Velveeta cheese. Now, I saw this on my friend Karen's YouTube channel called In the Kitchen with Karen, and she made this a couple months ago, and I was just so intrigued, and I thought I have got to make it. You will want to go and check out Karen's channel. It is just so wonderful. She's got such delicious recipes. So I will leave you the link to her channel in the description box below. So go check her out. This recipe only has 3 ingredients and it looks super, super easy. If you have ever bought the Velveeta cheese, you are probably aware of how expensive it has gotten. Anywhere from $10 to $15 for like a 2-pound block. This is a little bit less expensive, plus it doesn't have all the additives and the extra ingredients that you'll see in the store-bought kind. I'm excited to try it, so let's get started because it's that time to get cooking. So you will need 1 packet of unflavored gelatin. And I'm placing it in my food processor, but you could also use a blender. And 1/3 cup of dried powdered milk. All right, then you will want 1 cup of boiling water. And like Karen said, you want to make sure that it is boiling. Then I'm going to begin to add some shredded mild cheddar cheese. And I'm going to kind of blend as I add. Now you want to make sure that you use the fresh cheese, not the already pre-shredded. You want to shred it yourself because it melts so much better. All right, and then what I have here is a loaf pan with some plastic wrap that I'm just kind of pressing down into this loaf pan because I'm going to take this cheese and pour it into my loaf pan. All right, then I'm just going to spread it out. And then cover this and place it in the refrigerator until it sets up and is firm. So it's the next morning and I'm about to take the Velveeta cheese out of my fridge. All right, so I'm just going to lift it up out of this loaf pan. All right. Well, it looks like Velveeta, but I'm going to get a knife and cut it into slices and give you guys a up-close look at it. Wow. It tastes just like Velveeta. Thank you so much, Karen, for this wonderful recipe. Now, I am going to use it in my next dish, so stay tuned. You won't want to miss it. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.